Hello everyone, welcome to NEFCO YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share the videos for spreading focus in the newborns. Sorry for breaking the shock case series. In between, I just want to share with you all a case which we just received. So I just wanted to share the findings of that case which can be useful in your practice in an ICU. This is a borderline term baby, 35-36 weeks, elective cesarean section. After birth, the baby is having grunting, and in the videos when you will see, you will be able to hear the grunting noise in that baby. So this baby was started on CPAP, shifted to NICU on CPAP with grunting, and you will be able to see the X-ray in this video. So in X-ray, it seems to be good. Lung spaces are there, mild haziness. So we were confused whether to give surfactant or not. So we go ahead with the lung ultrasound with RDS scoring. So in this video, you will be seeing how to do the RDS scoring, and that becomes helpful for us to take the decision whether we should do LISA or we ensure, that is indirectly we are going to give the surfactant to this baby. So our decision become easy, and with the lung ultrasound scoring, RDS scoring that we did within 1 hour of the birth, and it becomes helpful for us. So in this baby we are doing the lung ultrasounds, scoring, borderline term, we are doing the RDS scoring. So the zones are left upper interior, left lower interior, right upper interior, right lower interior, right lateral and the left lateral. So we are doing left upper interior. This is ribs with one segment. You can see the lung sliding present, and there are confluent B lines in 3 segments. So this is AIS. The score is 2 in the left upper interior. So now we are doing in the left lower zone interior. Here also it is the same finding. Confluent B lines, lung sliding is there. So this is again score 2. So now we will be doing the left lateral. You see 3 segments confront me. So on the left side it is 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. So now I am doing the right interior. I will be doing right upper interior, right lower interior, and then right lateral. So here also you can see confluent B lines in the segments. AIS. So right upper interior 2. This is right lower interior. You can see B confluent B lines. 3 segments AIS. And now this is right lateral. So total score is 12. So that is an indication to give LISA or Ensure in this baby. So we will be, this baby is on CPAP, and we will be going ahead with the LISA for this baby.